Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Pluto TV active link not working, including code or URL issue.
Fix 1. Use the correct activation URL Step 1. Open a web browser on your phone or PC. Step 2. Go to https://pluto TV/activate. Step 3. Enter the activation code shown on your TV. Step 4. Sign in and complete activation. Fix 2. Clear browser cache or try another browser. Step 1. Clear cache and cookies in your browser. Step 2. Or open Pluto TV/activate in incognito/private mode. Step 3. Enter the activation code. Fix 3. Generate a new activation code. Step 1. Open the Pluto TV app on your TV/device. Step 2. Go to Settings, Activate/Sign In. Step 3. Select Get New Code. Step 4. Enter the new code at Pluto TV/activate. Fix 4. Check Internet and disable VPN. Step 1. Make sure both TV and phone/PC are on the same stable network. Step 2. Turn off VPN or ad blocker. Step 3. Restart Pluto TV app and try activation again.